Right now, the Bitcoin head and shoulders pattern is seeing a significant rejection, and while this is happening, I will be discussing the most important Bitcoin charts, the CME gap that currently is trading below us, and much more important stuff we need to discuss. On today's update video, I will give a quick update on my trade that I announced on yesterday's video, and that is currently making me already more than $1,000 in profits, and I will be exactly discuss what is about to be happening next for Bitcoin. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a very important one here, and can we once again slap up the likes back above 500? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. If we're looking at the imminent short term for Bitcoin, we do know that still we've got a small little CME gap trading below us, and that was of course one of the reasons why I did open up a small little short position on the price action of Bitcoin. Currently you can see that I'm making more than $1,000 in profit after I opened up this trade yesterday here on the top side, because yes, if we were looking at the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, yesterday we were creating a significant CME gap. So far, we've not filled it up, and be aware, CME gaps, they don't necessarily have to get filled up, but 9 out of the 10 times they tend to get filled up, because yes, we still also got a CME gap below us, trading around $20,000. We are very much aware that CME gaps also could not get filled up here, but currently we can see we still got a CME gap trading below us between 26.4k to 26.7k. And if I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, we can currently see that we're still actually trading in a downtrend ever since we basically confirmed these lower highs on the price section of Bitcoin. And currently we can see that we're creating a small little uptrend here on the 1 hour time frame. And for me, I will keep my attention towards this level, because as soon as we do potentially break below this very important level of support, we could potentially experience a breakdown, and on the breakdown we could potentially see a further continuation happening towards the downside. While everything is happening here, we can see that on the 12-hour time frame, this very important level of previous support is currently acting as resistance. You can see this level right here. Currently we're seeing a small rejection from it, and for me, I've been saying it for quite a while right now, this has been such an important level of support, and always once you retest support as resistance, so basically after you break below it, it is usually going to provide a rejection. Currently so far it has provided us a rejection. I've been opening up a short position on Bitcoin, of course also due to the fact that I was shorting the head and shoulders pattern with a price target all the way down to $24,000, and currently I'm making a profit of about $1,000. So first of all, congratulations if you did join me with this trade yesterday, and if you're interested in trading yourself, don't forget to check out the links in the description, because you can right now set up a new trading account here and claim an additional deposit bonus up to $30,000 on Bybit and BitGet. Bybit you need to do KYC, on BitGet you do not need to do KYC, but be aware if you want to trade on any of these exchanges, sign up an account using the link in the description, because without this link you do not get the deposit bonus at all. So it's definitely a win-win scenario. So don't forget to go to the links in the description if you're interested in trading. Furthermore, of course, I will be opening up a $1 million Bitcoin trading position. It will be a long position, but it will be starting to open up this position once Bitcoin comes down to $25,000 to $24,000, because if I'm looking at the head and shoulders pattern, we do know that if I will be measuring the price target, we can see that the price target is going to come in somewhere around $24,000, and that is why I want to be starting to scale in towards my next long position somewhere around that region right there. This is of course not the only reason, because if I will be looking at daily support and also really the volume support, we can currently see that we're falling below the $27,000 barrier of support. We're currently retesting it as resistance, and between the $27,000 and $25,000 there's just almost no volume, what means there's probably going to be a lot of volatility between these two levels. Yes, I do think that Bitcoin could fall down very quickly, and if it falls down, it probably will find support at this previous high in the market, what is somewhere around $25,000 to $24,000, because that is really where the volume support kicks in here. So that is why I think $25,000 to $24,000 is a very good level to start dollar cost averaging in towards my next big trading position for Bitcoin. You can currently also see here on the daily time frame or on the 12-hour time frame that we broke down here of the symmetrical triangle, currently seeing a small little retest of this very important level of previous support, currently acting as resistance. And yeah, the price target for this one is also somewhere around $24,000, what is quite a bearish price target if you would ask me here. And of course, if I will be looking at the Bollinger Bands and the Bollinger Bands width, we can currently see that the Bollinger Bands is becoming extremely narrow, what is also indicating that we will be seeing a more volatile move hitting the markets anytime soon. So make sure to get ready for that one as well. It's going to be important to pay attention towards towards this. Of course, like we've seen from the past, always once the bullish events is so narrow, so basically trading in this white box right here, we tend to see high amounts of volatility. So once again, the bullish events is narrow on the 3-day time frame. It is getting ready for a bigger move here. And of course, the question is whether the move is going to be up or down. But the one thing is for sure, volatility will be hitting the markets anytime soon again. Furthermore, we can see that on the weekly time frame, or you can see this is the 2-week time frame, the most important resistance to break is $31,000 to $32,000. I've said this every single day in the past few 5 to 10 weeks already here. I've said it ever since we retested it for the first time here, that the level to break is 31.7k, this white line right here. If we do break above it, I think the bull market will be getting reinitiated. But first, I won't be surprised if we're going to look at the weekly time frame and see a potential retest of this very important level right here, right? So you can see this has been very big previous resistance, and how nice would it be if we actually see a retest of this level right here? I think it's definitely possible to see a retest of this level right here, and of course, if we retest this level, is going to be giving us an extremely big opportunity, and that is really where I'm currently waiting for. So thank you so much for watching towards the amazing new update video. I will be buying a lot of Bitcoin if we go down to $23,000, and of course I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date about all my trades here. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well to stay up to date about all my trades and market updates on real time. And that was it for me in today's update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.